Hello, dear friends. This is Grandma Jeannie. Welcome back to my workshop. I've got more boxes to open. I'm really excited. I've got 3 boxes to open again tonight, and I have learned my lesson. I've got the timer set. I've got supper in the oven again, but I've got the timer set, so I will not burn my supper tonight. I promise my husband that I'm not going to burn the supper. And I'm going to do something a little different tonight. I'm going to open the box that I got just today first. Now, I've got 2 more boxes here that I've had a while, but let's open this one first just because I'm just excited to see it. Now, this was bought on one of our Saturday sales from my Facebook group. And this gentleman, his name is Bill, lists some very nice dollhouse items, furniture, and he doesn't list every month, but he lists frequently, and he always has such cute items at good prices, and he packs so nicely. So I want to give a shout out to him and a big thank you to him. And of course, like I said, they are packed just lovely. Let me get them opened up here. Here we go. Now, these items, these 2 chairs, and this item are all marked marks. These are from the 1950s, and these items all happen to be pieces of furniture that go in the rumpus room. And I recently did a video about the rumpus room. So if you're curious about that, go back and check those videos out where I show that rumpus room. It's like what you might have called a recreation room or something like that. Today they might call it a den or a TV room. So this corner couch, these 2 chairs are pieces I need for my own. Isn't that adorable? This says milk on the front. It's a milk bar. And that's to go in that room also. So those will all go into my rumpus room. These 2 little corner cupboards, one is marked Cleaware and the other one is not marked, but I believe it's just exactly the same shape and size, mold. I think it's probably Cleaware also, although I think those molds were also used by the Allied Company as well as a company called Pyro. And they are also called scale 124, which is the right scale for grandma. And these are a good, true 124, a good size for grandma. These are a little bit small for her, and that is typical of that furniture. But I have a house that has got all of this kind of furniture in it, so that will be an excellent addition. I want to thank Bill for providing these items for sale. When he lists items, he might list, like 1,000 pieces of furniture. It has got to be a big job for him. And then he packs it all up and he ships it to us. He does a great job making that available to us. So remember, you need to be in those dollhouse groups on Facebook. This one is the Metal Dollhouses, Barns, and Playsets, 1940s to 1980s, was the one that I bought these from. Okay, let's get another box out. Here we go, box number 2. Now, I've had this box a while. This box also, I can tell by the return label, is from another one of my dollhouse friends from those dollhouse groups. This lady sells on both that Metal Dollhouse group I just talked about, and she also sells on the Petite Princess Dollhouse Delights group. So I'm not sure which one of these I would have got these items from, but she sells on both of those regularly, and she always has lovely items. Let's take a look at what's in here. Okay, here's these sweet little items. Now, this was not marked, this little high chair, but I can tell you that's one of the things that caught my eye because it was so cute. There's a couple of little red chairs here. They are marked marks. We've got a little radio that is marked Renwall and a little clock that she actually threw these both in free. This is a mantel clock missing its clock face, and this is a little radio missing its dial, and she knows I like to repair those. So she gave those to me for free. Then there's a cute little squirrel that was also thrown in as an added bonus. Isn't that adorable? So you can tell these are truly that scale 124 because they're the right scale for grandma. Okay, so unknown to you, during my little presentation here, I got interrupted by an important phone call and I helped my friend out. And because of that, my minutes have slipped away and my supper's still in the oven. I've learned my lesson. I'm not going to burn it. So we're only going to do 2 boxes again tonight and I will get back with you soon. Thank you again for joining me. I just love having you here. Remember, you've always got a friend here in Iowa and Grandma Jeannie loves you.